In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a bill of materials in Stack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from a clean takeoff to a clear, reliable material list that matches your project needs. First, open your project in Stack Takeoff. Begin by performing your takeoff on all the relevant drawings. That means tracing and measuring areas for things like flooring or roofing, capturing lengths for linear items such as trim or piping, counting discrete items like fixtures or fasteners, and calculating volumes where needed for concrete or fill. As you go, assign catalog items to each takeoff element. Link every measurement to the correct material type, choose an assembly if the work involves a bundle of components, and add a cost code if your workflow uses them. This is where accuracy pays off. The more precise your takeoff and item assignments are, the more closely your bill of materials will reflect what you'll actually purchase and install. Next, verify your item catalog so it lines up with your takeoff. Make sure each item you used has the correct unit of measure. For example, square feet for surfaces, linear feet for runs, each for counts, and cubic yards for volume. Units must match your measurements or your quantities won't calculate properly. If you plan to include costs in your BOM, confirm the material costs are up to date and realistic for your market. This is also a good time to include assemblies where appropriate, so related materials roll up together. A well-maintained catalog ensures your final quantities and costs are both accurate and easy to understand. When your takeoff and catalog are in sync, navigate to the takeoff summary or materials view. Depending on your interface, you'll find it under Takeoff, then Summary, then Materials. Stack will generate a materials list based on the items tied to your takeoff. This is essentially your bill of materials. You'll see the material name, the quantity required, the unit of measure, and the cost if your item catalog includes pricing. Take a moment to review the list for reasonableness. Look for units that don't match, quantities that seem unusually high or low, and any items missing pricing if you intend to present a costed BOM. If something looks off, return to your takeoff or item catalog to correct it, then revisit the materials view to confirm the update. That's it. With a careful takeoff, a clean item catalog, and the materials summary, you can confidently generate a bill of materials in Stack that's ready for estimating, purchasing, or coordination.